Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I promise you that this video is going to bring a smile on your faces. So let's start this video. Today, I'm going to draw a very beautiful eco-friendly rangoli. Mostly, the rangolis are made with rangoli colors, but they are swept off and they are not reusable. So I thought to draw something unique that will be reusable also. So you can also get all these things in markets, you can see in the sticker form. So first, I started the drawing video, so you can see, and I'm drawing on a chart paper. You can also use any A4 size paper, so you can see how I'm doing. And these rangolis are reusable. In case you recreate this rangoli, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram ID. The link of my Instagram ID is given in the description box, so please go and check. You can hear the bursting of the crackers now. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. Okay. If you have any query regarding this video or any other content, or if you want something new or something like this, you can always comment down. I will always reply you. I have completed with the drawing part. Now it's turn for the painting part. So always use any bright colors. I'm using acrylic colors, and this is a yellow color, lemon yellow color. So for rangolis, mostly bright colors are used. Don't use any light colors, it will not look good. So I'm using acrylic paints, but if you don't have acrylic paints, you can also use any color, but try to use in painting colors, not crayons or oil pastel like this. If you have not watched the video of Lakshmi Ganesh drawing in oil pastels, then please go and check. The link of the video is given in the description box. Cut the outline of this rangoli with the help of a scissor. And if you are a kid, then do this in the guidance of some elder. And then I will cover the rangoli with any transparent paper, and then I will stick in the on the floor. So please follow the same steps.